amta khamjadaba angang macha ahum nupi ahum se masi thadokpiraku moibu kanbiba thadokpiraku se masina mioi bagi minungsiga loinana masina paidagi afaba oigani aduna kanano mada hariba captive ta thami badudi moi koi mitna mak uruba natragasu chik tawriba tawnariba nakan anigi class haiba tare masida kanano haiba sidi koi mayamna khangnarabani aduna amoro chumbalan bana tongan ba mani aduna madudi mioi bagi minungsiga loinana thadokpirakuna khwaidagi achumba decision oigani haibasini akhoi party gi side tagi appeal tawjaningse or maybe also still so we appeal from our party side on humanitarian ground. It will be wise decision to release those 6, including 3 minor child. So we appeal from our party side. So please release this 6 person on humanitarian ground.
So what is
Congress, our stand is quite clear. We have repeatedly appealed to the government of India also, state government also. Our stand, the normalcy should have to be brought in the state of Manipur without any further delay. Otherwise, this present situation, if it is worsened day by day, what will happen? No one can predict tomorrow and today what will happen in the present scenario of the state of Manipur. So this is the responsibility of the present state government and as well as center, because to save life and property of the state of Manipur is the sole responsibility of this present government.
Sir, have you ever tried to
Ikai Prime Minister the unagi appointment piu haji ikai Hujiksu akoi ready neba. Hujik leiba constitutional hek haiba tare. Governor ji hujik phobri chile laiti. Center ki seriousness si yengpiro. Assam ga siga dual charge tawraga akoi si phagi dawna ba ta sunati haina khanna governor ji sida laiti Assam da lai. Akoi ngasai mta khanari ni ngrang ni khana bane ba akoi ba. Governor si anak pesida governor si hana unara sira prime minister ki appointment lawnam tawji governor si unara si haida he is out of the station. Manipur si kaishu khanbi da ba maleba. Tawri mo mata seba.